sees my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Hello everyone, good evening. Happy to see you. I'm Nidhi, an anchor of this program. Welcome to our talk show program on importance of learning English. Today we are going to discuss on importance of learning English. And here you can see our respectable participants. Okay dear viewers, let's get introduced with them. First of all, here is Miss Marja, a student of Chepurkov Girls High School. Next, here is Miss Anija, a student of Western Academy. Okay dear, let's get started our talk show program. Okay Miss Anija, what do you think about our today's topic? Please.
Actually, there are many languages in the world, but English is the most important and most widely used international language. Without English, we can't do anything in the modern world. For business communication, English is a must. Almost 350 million people speak English in their as mother tongue. So the importance of learning English cannot be denied.
Well, next I'm coming to Miss Marja. What do you think about our today's topic?
Well, English is also important for students. We need to learn English for our higher education. In many countries, children are taught and encouraged to learn English as a second language. It's a storehouse of knowledge of all books. If we want to earn vast knowledge, we need to take help from those books which are written in English. So it is clear that the importance of learning English cannot be described in words.
Hello dear. Meanwhile, we have known a lot of importance of learning English. Actually, it's a very important language, and we all should learn it right now. So dear, thank you so much for joining us. Hope to see you next. No more today. Have a good time. Bye. Bye.
Now we can see Miss Marja is receiving the first prize of Spoken English Level 1. Please everybody wish her.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets.